listen. Birds love flute music.
Yes, you just saw it. Bodies. Catch up with the latest events in our very controversial new drama at 9 and 11, respectively, tonight on BBC Three. Now, Little Angels.
Oh, no. I mean, well, I'm just working them out. Well, they're not very good. But if you want me to wing it...
Well, we're back for the start of week 3 with the lovely contestants of Strictly Come Dancing on 3 at 8:30. But now, we're right at the beginning of rush hour.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Don't forget, our coverage of Glastonbury starts right here on BBC Three from 7 o'clock on Friday. So how's about another little teaser then? Maybe strobe lighting, definitely Glastonbury calling.
Excuse me, I'm looking for...
Check upstairs, the dressing room with the star on it.
Ooh, brand new Mighty Boosh tonight at 10:30 on BBC Three, of course. But now Tuesday comedy continues with strong language and very disturbing scenes. It's Monkey Dust. Well, the drama just keeps on coming here on BBC Three. Good old Friday nights, eh? So, with strong language, the first in a double bill of Burn It.
How about a bird?
A bird? Wait a second, is a bird an animal?
Sure.
You say so.
Right then, now on BBC Three we do film and we do comedy. Martin Lawrence heads up the cast and looks rather fetching in support tights. It's Big Mama's house, yes it is.
It's bound to be a night of elegance, dignity, culture.
At 10:30, the good girls try to prove they don't by heading off to an S&M club. But first, Johnny and Janet have fallen out, but his punishment is rather original in 2 pints.
And sweeps away the sound of creatures crying in the night. Creatures crying in the night.
In half an hour on BBC Three, we head off to the good old US of A for the practice. But first, we stay home for strong language, violence and grease monkeys. Bless.
If you call me in the morning, I'll tell you what to do.
Well, you can catch the fallout from tonight's dance-off in Blackpool in Strictly Come Dancing on 3 in half an hour. But first, sample a wee spine chiller, why don't you? With strong language.
For crying out loud.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Well, of course, there's a brand spanking new episode on Tuesday at 10:30 here on BBC Three. But let's just have a wee catch-up now. It's the Mighty Boosh. Well, it's all about extremes in Sex, Warts and All USA in half an hour on BBC Three. But you could say that's how this lot like to live their lives. With very strong language, it's Burn It. I smell the whiff of a serial killer. Yeah, just my little way of saying the Wednesday movie is switched back tomorrow at 9:30 here on 3, but now, well, I smell kebabs. Classy.